Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about those crazy cryptos, talking about all these new things. Apex, Trade Pro, USD, all kinds of stuff going on here. Fees, all kinds of stuff. Things are changing. That's a good thing. They needed to, and now they're changing. So hang on. They're not done yet. We got a lot more to go. So it's very exciting. The coins at 0.14, we're hanging strong. Waiting for it to start going up because we're going to start running out of coins. That's a good thing. It means our coins will be worth more. So let's see what's going on over here. We got this new Apex leverage and arbitrage betting, like a beta testing. So it's a great thing. It's got the 100 pairs. You can do the 1, 2, or 5 for like long trades, and then you got the 10, 20, and 50 for scalping. I love that scalping. Leverage trading, it's awesome. I've already been playing with it. It's very fun. There's a lot of new rules coming out for it. A lot of stuff came out. I haven't even had time to read it all yet, so we'll have to go over it all and get back to you when it makes some sense to me. So right now it looks like ETH has gone up a little bit. Has it? I'm waiting for this thing to come out. I have to wait for it. And we are, 1 ETH is worth 315. It's gone up. That's great. So we're moving along. But it looks like it's going to drop down right now for the short term on the 5-minute chart. But we'll see. It's pretty cool. I'm excited. Well, I still got some ETH on the platform. Got my tokens. This is my virtual ARB that's in my wallet over there, I guess, for the Apex. So that's what that is. Okay. That's cool. Available virtual ARB. I like that. Virtual. It's pretty cool. Still got our ABOT down here. I still got my $25,246. So I guess that's going to be transferring over to the Apex or to something else eventually because I don't think we're going to be having the ABOT anymore. At least it looked like. But we'll find out. See if the ABOT's changed. I haven't really looked at that yet since I've been back. I just got back in the other night and I'm still tired. We got Bitcoin still way up. Wow. ETH is up 3.1. Bitcoin's up 10. I don't know where it's at anymore. Well, you take off for 9 days and look out, things change. That's all I know. See, that's ETH against the Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin US dollar? Right there. Wow, it's all the way up there. I didn't realize it was that high already. Wow, 1265. That's pretty high. It's great. Looks like it's going to double top and pop back down. I wanted to trade that trend line, that's for sure. But right now, I think I see a trade setting up on the ETH US dollar. Let's see if we can jump over to the Apex and play with that a little bit. It's kind of fun. We can look at it here real quick. Here's East US dollar. It's definitely an uptrend. We're definitely going up. Probably do a double top. But even though the one I'm looking at looks like a sell trade. So right now on the 1-hour chart, see we're getting a little red candle. That's what I'm looking at. So we go down to a 5-minute chart. We got that double top action right there. We're starting to drop. So it's either going to drop down or bounce and go back up. My guess it's going to go down. Usually they love these double tops, that's for sure. We'll see what happens. You never know. Let's see. Maybe we can jump over to the Apex and put on a trade real quick. Something to do. Something fun to do anyway. There we go. Take it down to a 5-minute. We want a short trade. 50. 100. Now my, oh, I'm in the ETH. I don't remember. I better cancel this. I don't remember where I was in right now. Yeah, see, this is Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin, it looks like it's going to go back up. My guess is. Let's go to ETH. ETH US dollar. That's what I'm looking at. Feel more comfortable with that one. We're all the way at the top. There we go. I know I get it right one day. So we had a top, a triangle, we had a breakout, and now I think we're going to have a breakdown. But we need to see a 5-minute chart, and there it is. Still a double top too. I'm looking for it to break the bottom. I want to see if we get a bounce back up. I'm not sure now. Well, we can still take the trade. Short here. Done. Confirm. Good. ETH US dollar. And if we bounce back up, we'll take another trade because I think it's going to come back down to this point right here. If it doesn't, we'll just take the profit down at this point or close to it. So this is really fun. It's kind of a fun thing to do. Now, if it breaks above right here, we just close the trade. That's all. Just take the loss and go. If it goes above that, we'll just close the trade out and get out of here. Not going to work if it hits that point because it's going back up then. There we go. There's our agent. Always wanting to help out. That's cool. Like we're in a little bitty tiny bit of profit. So that's fun. So as you see how we got double top. Trying to play the breakdown. If you look at it on a excuse me. If you look at it on a 15-minute chart, you'll see a breakdown on it. Even the 5-minute chart, you can see it. It's still a triangle. We trade it from here to from here through here. It's a triangle. So we're looking for the breakout. What I can see, this one here, this last candle here is breaking out. So that's what I'm trading right there. But we'll see. Sometimes they lose. Can't always win, but you got to try. But you got to pick the ones you think might make it. That's all it's about. You have a spot to get out where it's real close. You take the loss, and then you have a spot you want to get out, which is 3 times farther. That's all. And if it runs, throw another position in. That's all I know. Try to make some extra money on it. So you never know what's going to happen with these things, but it is fun. It is exciting. So there's a lot of stuff came out from David Peterson. I haven't looked over it yet. I was just kind of glancing at it, and it looked complicated. Yeah. So I have to go over it all. I can't be talking about something I don't understand yet. But this is fun. This I understand. This is basic trading, basic scalping. Now, if you're going to do a long swing trade, I would just do the 2-to-1 or maybe the 5. You know, just so you got more time to play if you think it's going to move up or down. You know, on a bigger time frame, if it already broke out of a triangle and you think it's going to go up another 100 pips or something, then, you know, let it run. See what happens. Make that money. So I'm getting a signal it's going down, so we'll see what happens. See what I'm looking at up here. It's just easier to understand. So we have a triangle right here we're in, and this is a 5-minute chart. We got a breakout right here. I already got the signal. Everything's telling me. We're still above the 20, so it's still not safe, but it's trying to get below. Once it gets below, see when it's above the 20, it's all up. Then you got this big sideways move, which is easy to get out. You want to try to get them at the tops if you can at this top, but let's say you missed it. At least in the sideways move, you made it from here. See, I like to trade from the 20, the moving average, the breakthrough. Like when this dropped underneath, I would have sold it down. I would have saw we hit support, I would have sold, got out. And over here, you see a break above, I would have bought up, taken all the way up into here. Somewhere in here, I get out once I saw it coming back. Even if it was down here, you made money. And now we see it's going to go underneath. So we already got our sell trade in, hoping for it to go down and, you know, run down into here someplace. So that's how I like trading it. That's my simple trading. I love it. Makes me money all day long. I love it. So let's just get this out of your way so you can see what's going on over here. Because we're almost out of time. See if it'll put us into profit. When do we start cheering? Go, go, go. But it's always fun and exciting. Still a lot to learn. Then we're going to have the stock coming out soon. So that'll be fun. Any stock traders out there. Sometimes like Apple's going to have a whole bunch of stuff coming out. Maybe you want to put a long trade on Apple. Nothing wrong with that. Let it sit there for a while. Do a 2 to 1. See if you make a little bit of money. You know, if you know anything about anything else and you know it's going to be doing something, there you go. We're into profit. Guess I should close it while I'm in profit, so at least on the video it looks good, right? Sounds good to me. There we go. Still green. Take it. But you know, I think it's going to come down a lot further. So anyway, but you see how easy that was. If I can do it, you can do it. Just got to find a reason to do it. That's all. And just try to make 2 candles, 3 candles. That little bit of profit, if you do that 2-3 times a day, you'll add up. You'll be making some money. And then as you get your profit up, you have that money to back up your other trades. So, you know, you got more backup. Then you can maybe do 5 trades or 6 trades if you wanted to. But usually all you need is 3 trades and make good money. But this is going to keep dropping. Looking at it, it's already starting to drop now. Look, if it would have been in here, it'll probably go all the way down until we get for sure down to here, because that's where it's going to hit resistance. There's no resistance till down there. So we'll see. Life is crazy, and we're here to enjoy it. All right, you guys, stay ARB strong. We'll come back. I got to read all that stuff David put out. We got a lot of stuff coming out, so it's very exciting. Pretty soon we'll be able to get live on this thing and start making some money. All right, bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.